Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks for those who are new here, and if you're watching this for the first time, welcome, and also make sure you subscribe. It's free. Take me to 10,000 subscribers. And on today's video we are diving deep into a topic that's bound to spark some conversation. Jamaica, our highland nation, is often overlooked when compared to global powerhouses like America. But today, we are flipping the script. And here is why Jamaica, in its own unique way, is stronger than America. So, before I start, make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think about today's video. So, let's talk about cultural influence and legacy. When we talk about cultural impact, America might have Hollywood, but Jamaica has a cultural footprint that spans the globe. Think about reggae music, the Rastafarianism, the dancehall, and even their language, that is Patois, have touched every corner of the planet. You see people like Bob Marley, Usain Bolt, Marcus Garvey. Those are names that transcend borders. They have brought a message of peace, revolution, and empowerment. America may have its stars, but no other nation our size has had such a powerful and positive global influence. That's what we call the strength. So I just want to let you know that Jamaica's strength is deeply rooted in their history. They have faced centuries of oppression, from slavery under British rule to economic hardships. But each time they rise stronger. They did not have the resources America did, but they fought and gained their independence in the year 1962. Their resilience, their ability to adapt and survive has shaped all they are. Look at Jamaican athletes, the musician, and the people. Despite being a small nation, they have produced some of the best talents in the world. America has its resources, but Jamaica, but they have like unmatched ability to overcome and thrive, and that is true power. But here is something that sets Jamaica apart: the sense of community. In Jamaica, they live by the motto, out of many, one people. And despite the struggles, they stand united, looking out for each other, building together. But America might have fast and diverse, but its size often creates division. In times of hardship, Jamaicans rally together, whether it's after a natural disaster or just supporting each other in daily life. Their strength is in their unity and their shared struggles and beliefs in a better future. And when it comes to the natural beauty, Jamaica's strength is undeniable. For sure, America has its national park, but there is nothing like the magic of the highlands. From the blue mountains to the white sands of Negril, and it's not just for tourists. Their environment sustains them. Jamaicans' agriculture and fisheries and their land, it all plays a critical role in their economy and culture. Jamaicans know how to make the most of what they have, stay connected to the land. But America may be larger, but Jamaica's natural strength is something money can't buy. Jamaica might be small, but their influence on the world is anything but. They punch well above their weight. From their international diplomacy to sports. Usain Bolt, the fastest man in the history, and Sherihan, one of the greatest sprinters of all time. Jamaicans might not have America's military or economic power, But Jamaica's strength lies in their spirit, their culture, and the people. They make waves far beyond their borders, providing that size does not define strength. And one thing that makes Jamaica stand out is their creativity and innovation. From music to fashion to technology, Jamaicans are always ahead of the curve. With limited resources, they have learned how to create opportunities from nothing. America might have Silicon Valley, but Jamaicans have a homegrown, unstoppable spirit of innovation. Look at their thriving music industry, reggae, dancehall, and now other things are emerging. Jamaican creativity does not stop with music. They have a force in film, fashion, food, and also even technology. They have developed apps, businesses, and ideas that are influencing the world. America has its tech giants, but Jamaica have the power of thinking outside the box, making magic with whatever they have. And another thing is that America might have a bigger population, but when it comes to the raw athletic power, Jamaica dominates the track. There is no better example of this than Jamaican sprinters. The fastest people on the planet come from this small island, and that's no coincidence. Jamaica has consistently shown that they are a sporting powerhouse. For a country with just under 3 million people, they have consistently outperformed giants on the world stage. In athletics, particularly track and field, they don't just compete, they lead, man. And before I forget, just know that Jamaican strength also lies in their pride and independence. They have gained independence in 1962, and since then, they have built a nation that stands strong on its own terms. America is known for its patriotism, but Jamaicans' pride is in their culture, in their history, and in their people is on a whole different level. Every Jamaican knows where they come from and what their ancestors went through to secure their freedom. Their independence is not just political, it's a mindset. They carry that strength, that refusal to be controlled in everything they do. Another aspect of Jamaican strength is their global diaspora. Jamaicans are everywhere, from London to Toronto to New York, everywhere. And wherever they go, they carry their culture, their values, and their strengths. They are with them. And they thrive. And despite Jamaica being a small island, they have global network of Jamaicans who are making waves in every field, from businesses to politics, from the arts to education. America might be bigger, but Jamaica's strength comes from their ability to connect, uplift, and build communities wherever they go. Their diaspora is one of the most vibrant, impactful, and influential in the world. And as you all know, that Jamaica has a history of producing global leaders who have shaped not only their future, but the future of the world. Marcus Garvey, for example, who was one of the most influential Pan-Africanists of all time. His ideas sparked movements that continue to inspire millions, not just in Jamaica, but across Africa and the Americas. Even today, Jamaica punches above its weight in global diplomacy. They have been a voice for the Caribbean and developing nations on issues like climate change, human rights, and economic development. America might have more power, but Jamaica has the strength of leadership that transcends borders and makes real change. So, when someone tells you that the bigger is always better, remind them of Jamaica. Their strength is not in their size, it's in their resilience, their culture, their unity, and their undeniable global influence. Jamaica is stronger than America in so many ways that truly matter. Let's continue to celebrate what makes us great. So there you have it. Jamaica is stronger than America in ways that matters most. They are resilient, the culture, the unity, and the global impact. It's not always about being the biggest. Sometimes strength comes from the soul of our people. So let me know what you think in the comment below. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video with the world. Big up Jamaica. One love.